Born and living in this meaningful village, I am reminded of a simple philosophy that born from the process of making local wisdom-based craft. Right, Gerabah. A philosophy that reminds me of a simplicity that humans are born from soil, live with water, and die by fire. Unexpectedly, the making of traditional Gerabah, which is still closely guarded by the community, has become a routine activity that also energizes the village economy. And turns out, it creates an integrity for this village, a loving industrial village, Kapal village.